President Bongbong Marcos announces the discovery of Malampaya East 1 or MAE-1, a gas field which could supply electricity to the country's millions of households. In a video posted on his social media accounts on Monday, January 19, President Marcos says Malampaya East 1 is located about 5 kilometers east of the existing Malampaya field. He adds that it holds approximately 98 billion cubic feet of gas, enough to generate nearly 14 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually.
The MAE-1 is estimated to contain around 98 billion cubic feet of gas in place. Katumbas nito ang halos 14 na bilyong kilowatt-hour ng kuryente sa isang taon. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-supply ito ng kuryente sa mahigit 5.7 milyong kabahayan, 9,500 na gusali o halos 200,000 paaralan sa loob ng isang taon.
According to President Marcos, initial testing showed that the well flowed at 60 million cubic feet per day, which indicates the well has the potential to produce even more, confirming it is a high productivity resource comparable to the original Malampaya wells. He says the Malampaya East 1 also contains condensate, which is a high-value liquid fuel that can help support the government's efforts to stabilize the country's power supply. The president proudly notes that Filipinos led the drilling operation.
Pinagmamalaki rin natin na Pilipino ang nanguna sa drilling na ito. Higit sa lahat, natapos nila ito na walang aksidente o environmental incident.
The Malampaya East 1 marks the first milestone of the Malampaya Phase 4 drilling campaign, which also includes the Camago 2 and Bagong Pag-asa wells. President Marcos further says the next steps will involve completing and testing Camago 3 as well as drilling the Pag-asa exploration well to explore additional potential gas resources.